Hey y'all, this is Fred. I'm gonna do a quick video for y'all. I'm gonna be restoring the headlights quickly with two products that I'll link in the description. Got the Harbor Freight's polish kit for headlights, as well as some LED headlights for this specific van. My headlight went out, so now it's time to go ahead and replace it. First step here, got the headlight masked off, adequately, and got the 500 grit pad on my drill. This is after the 500 grit. I think I used 3 sanding pads. They give you a whole bunch in this kit. Here's a side-by-side comparison. See this headlight and this one, pretty good difference. All right, now I've gotten the headlight wet and I have 3000 grit after using the 800 grit. Gonna keep sanding. We've completed the wet sanding. Just got a towel and kind of wiped it off. Now I'm gonna get this polishing compound. I'm gonna put it over lightly here and use my polishing pad and see what we get. I am complete. Now this was a quick down and dirty process for me, but obviously the longer you spin the better turn out. This is good for me. You can compare. Here is my driver's side. Here's my passenger side. Obviously a big difference, really happy with that. Next, I'll show you what the LED lights look like installed. Got one of the headlights in, and it's a 9004 is the part number. I'll show you here real quick. It's gonna be this right here, 9004. So you can see that one's a little bit yellow. That's the original. And here's a comparison to the LED. I know it's during the daytime. I'll back up a little bit here. But I've installed these on other vehicles before. Should be a lot brighter for us. All right, y'all, that's gonna complete the video for today. Please like and subscribe for more content. If you have a van like this, I'm going to post a link in the video below if you'd like to use any of these products. Thank you and keep watching.